What am I supposed to do with you, bud? Okay. Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. Good morning. On this video, I want to talk about getting up off the floor after a knee replacement and you're on the floor for whatever reason. Maybe you fell, maybe you got down, thought you'd get back up, and it's just harder than you expected. So I've had a lot of questions about double knee replacements, single knee replacements. What are the best options? This is one of a couple strategies I'm going to be sharing that will work for any situation. So we're going to pretend we're on the ground. It's a non-emergency fall. You're not injured. You've kind of checked everything out and you've decided, okay, I just need to get up and I can't get up on my own. If you have stairs that you can get to, either by scooting or sliding or doing whatever you need to do to get over the stairs, then typically what's going to happen, we're pretending it's my right knee in this case that's been replaced. I've got Tucker here as my companion just in case I need help. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide either my backside to the bottom step. I'm going to use my non-surgical knee and my arms, and I'm going to kind of come up on step number 1. Then I'll work up to step number 2. Now, generally from this position in most homes, you're going to be able to use the handrail and go ahead and stand up into a recovery position. Now, it's even easier if you are down on the ground at the top of the stairs, but there's an important component here that I want to discuss. So if I fall or I'm on the ground at the top of the stairs, I work my way over to it, I let my feet go down, I will descend the stairs on my bottom until I get to the bottom step. So just like you saw me do here, Tucker is going to be getting in my way a little bit. You're working your way down. So you go bottom down, all the way till you're at a low enough level that you can put your feet on the floor. You can go ahead and use your hands to either get up from that position, use the handrail. What I would not advise anyone do is try to recover, try to get back to a standing position on the second or third step from the top. Because if you did have any kind of dizziness or any kind of blood pressure issues, that is a very dangerous place for you to potentially fall again. So if you are on the second floor, you sit, you work your bottom down all the way down to the second, maybe the third step, depending on how tall you are. You return to standing from this position. So in a couple other videos, I'm going to show you a couple other strategies to get back up off the ground, but this was here, so I wanted to record this. I'll catch you guys on the next video.